Just a fair warning, this video is gonna seem a little weird. It kind of just jumps in. Elias and I were planting seeds and we were trying to use the new camera that we got, and the camera battery died, and I'm not waiting to charge the battery to get that one first chunk. I'll just upload it as a kind of fun bonus video later. So you're gonna walk into this seed starting video and you're gonna be like, why did you like stop in the middle and then start doing something? It's my fault. So this is our seed starting video. I hope you enjoy it. Elias helped me today and it was a lot of fun. So, okay, you do have a popsicle stick. So what ones was this? This was White Swan, right? So
I'm gonna color it with the pencil. I'm gonna color it.
yep, I'm writing the name down.
White seeds. White seeds.
It's 2,
Dollar.
7, 22. So we're gonna put it right
Here.
there. Okay.
And I'll put one more.
Okay. All right.
I want
So we
one.
did one tray and my
I
camera
want
cut
one.
off. I wasn't paying attention. The battery
I
was low.
want
So
one.
we're to the cell phone we go.
I want to do one.
Yeah, bud. I'm just adding a little more dirt. Hold on, wait. I gotta add the water. So I'm using Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I know a lot of people that make their own. I don't. I just haven't delved into that world yet of what's best and how it works and why you need a percentage
I
of
mix it.
this, and yeah, you can mix it. You can mix it. Use your hand. But why you need a percentage of this and that and blah blah. I just haven't. Stop. Don't shake it off. Okay. Why don't you go wash your hands and we won't mix it anymore. Mommy will just mix it, okay? Mommy will mix it. You can just help plant the seeds. I haven't delved into the world of starting my own seed starter mix or anything like that. It's just not something I've gotten into yet. Maybe one day I will. This works just fine for me. And I know people have opinions on all that. It'll be what it is. This is what works for me. This is what makes sure I get everything done. So I did save a lot of these 4-packs and things from last year when I was doing landscaping. You know, you go pick up plant orders for people. Get your stool. Go get your stool. You pick up plant orders for people, you plant them, and then they don't want these. So we just saved them, and it saved us some money, a pretty penny. I do like to put these, I do have some of the flats they use at greenhouses where they set things like these in, so you can bottom water. But I also like to just put them on cookie sheets. They're reusable, and yes,
seeds.
buddy, hold on. They're reusable, and they're more sturdy, things like that.
I do some seeds.
Yes, we're gonna do some seeds. So I just fill these up, all right? And then I barely push them down. I don't wanna push them down a lot and have it be a brick where the roots can't grow a lot or very well. But I wanna do it enough.
Seeds.
Yeah, hold on. I wanna do it enough so there's not any air pockets in the soil, so when we do bottom water, it all absorbs. I'm gonna wash my hand. Hey, what color do you wanna do? Do you want to do the hat or do you want to do green?
Hat.
The hat one? Is that the popsicle stick?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so the hat one, we're doing Mexican hat cone flower. We did Echinacea White Swan earlier. Not yet. You have to wait. There's 50 seeds in this packet. I'm only going to put like 2 in each cell here. I have some trust issues with winter sowing. So I do winter sow.
Don't pull 'em out.
I do winter sow But I'm always concerned that for one reason or another, they're not going to germinate. Mexican hat coneflower.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, okay, I'll do that one next. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I got a popsicle
You do. Are you telling everyone?
on the phone.
Yeah,
I got popsicle.
you do. Love you.
Yeah, you.
I found this hack: popsicle sticks and pencils. It makes it so it doesn't fade or wash away. So this Mexican hat coneflower. Oh, what was I saying about winter sowing? My apologies. I trust that winter sowing works, but I also am paranoid. In a minute, I'm also paranoid that for some reason it's not going to work, and I will have put my proverbial eggs all in one basket. So because I don't want to do that, I also do some in-house sewing. Plus there's some things that should be started in the house. Stop. Okay, here's one seed. Yeah,
I find packet.
it's hard, huh? They're very small.
Hmm.
Oh. Put it right here.
What was that?
Yeah. These ones are very small. Here, this one. Okay. I'll do the last ones. So I do winter sow some, but
I
again,
want
proverbial eggs.
mine.
Here we go. We're just gonna sprinkle it, remember? Sprinkle it on top. We're not gonna push it in. We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of dirt on top. I really wanna ensure that these germinate as well as they can. So I don't really like pushing right here seeds down because they all vary so much. Some are like, you need 1/8 of a centimeter and you know, just a lot of stuff.
I want.
There we go. You did it.
I want no one.
You want another one?
Yes.
Yes.
I want that one.
This one.
Yeah. That one very pretty.
Whoa. Don't shake it. Leave it alone. Can you put the dirt in? Do you want to get a spoon so your hands don't get dirty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next we're going to put in Echinacea Green Twister.
I got blue. I got rose blue.
You did.
I got one.
You did. Good job. You can do it too. We'll do it together.
Stop doing your hands. They want us blue.
Oh, I don't need a spoon. I'll use my hand. It's okay.
I got.
Yep, get a spoonful. No, in here.
I got you my spoon.
You're doing a great job.
I'm not done yet.
I know you're not. You're doing great so far. You're such a good helper.
Thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, I think that's enough for right now. Good job tapping it. Great
I
job.
got you.
Oh, don't shake it on the ground. Put it in the bowl.
put in more.
Mm-hmm.
That enough. You did nice you.
Okay. Echinacea Green Twister. There's only 15 of these in the pack, so.
Those are green.
Yeah, we're probably gonna do 2 in each, so. Well, maybe just 1.
Maybe just one.
Okay, don't mess with the dirt in there. Yeah, these are bigger seeds.
Those are better seeds.
Yeah, they're not so small. Ready? 1,
1,
2,
4.
and then we'll put an extra one in these 2. Okay, now we get a little tiny bit of dirt and sprinkle it on top. Use your fingers. Pinch it. Okay, pinch it.
I will.
No, just use your fingers. Just a little bit. No, that's a lot. Shake it off. There we go.
Another one.
Yep, one more over here. Over here. Great job.
Another one.
Nope, that's it for right now. We did them all. All right, and now we get our popsicle stick, and I put it right here.
I don't put mine.
I did it. I wrote on it for you. You want to do one?
Uh-huh. My mom color.
Here. You want to write on it for a minute?
I get a house. I
You
want
did it. You did it. Good job.
I get a house.
Yeah, you did it. Are you ready to put it in here?
No.
You tap it? Tap, tap, tap.
I want to lower.
You want me to write your name on it? Here. E
I don't
L
have
I A S. Elias, look. It's your name. Here we go. Tap it. Good job.
I want to do another
Well,
one.
that's it for today. That's it. We did them.
I want to do that one.
Nope, not right now. Maybe later. Okay? Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Goop.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.